If I had to start completely over with 0 followers, 0 money, and 0 connections, here's exactly how I'd build a 10K a month online business in the next 90 days. I'm gonna break down the exact 4-step system that took me from $4 in my bank account to over 100K a month, and I'm not gonna gatekeep any of it. Listen up, I made over $2 million profit online. I've had students from 30 plus countries do the same process, and I paid $5,000 to learn this framework from my mentor, but I'm giving it all completely for free in this video. So let's get into it. Here's the thing. Most people trying to make money online are still using outdated strategies. They're trying drop shipping with saturated products, affiliate marketing with no audience, or starting YouTube channels that take 2 years to monetize. I get it. I used to be the same way. I tried social media marketing for months, got 3 free trial clients, delivered 0 results, and ended up with negative $40 in my bank account, asking my mom for Chipotle money. I was that broke college kid watching everyone else succeed while I was stuck. But here's what I learned. The biggest reason why people fail at making money online isn't because they're not smart enough or don't work hard enough. It's because they're following the wrong roadmap. If I had to start over today, I'd focus on one thing: AI messaging. Now there are 4 main steps to this, but let me explain why this is the perfect beginner-friendly business model. Unlike drop shipping, where you need to test dozens of products, or affiliate marketing, where you need massive traffic, AI messaging lets you charge over $2,500 per month with just a handful of clients. So here are the 4 steps. Step 1, pick a profitable niche. I'll show you my 3 criteria rule in a sec. Step 2, master AI-powered client acquisition. Step 3, partner with experts who do the work for you. And step 4, scale with simple systems. This isn't theory, this is the exact process that's making teenagers $35,000 months while still in high school. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So step 1, pick your niche. The 3 criteria rule that I mentioned earlier. So don't spend weeks overthinking this. I use 3 simple questions. Number 1, do you like them? Number 2, can you help them? And number 3, can they pay? So the best niches for AI messaging are business coaches, course creators, and online trainers. Why? Because they already make $10,000 per month. They need more clients and they understand the value of getting help. I'm not gonna lie, I see people spending months picking the perfect niche, but just pick one and move forward. You could always change later. So comment below which niche you're thinking of choosing, because I'd love to see how many of you are actually taking action on this. Step 2, master AI-powered client acquisition. Here's where things get different. Instead of cold calling or sending hundreds of manual messages, you use artificial intelligence to handle your entire outreach process. The AI finds businesses in your niche, writes personalized messages for you, handles their questions, and even closes clients for you through automated conversations. I have students landing their first clients in 24 hours using this exact system. Now, before I move on to the next step, if you want to learn more about exactly how AI finds and closes your ideal clients through personalized messaging, then make sure you click the card in the top right corner, because I have a free training that will dive deeper on how to get clients automatically. This training will walk you through the exact AI scripts, the messaging frameworks, and the automation systems that are converting at over 80% for my students. And again, make sure you click the card in the top right corner. Now with that out of the way, let's move on to step 3. So step 3, partner with experts who do the work. This is the game changer that most people don't know about. Instead of learning how to set up AI systems yourself, you partner with expert service providers who handle everything for your clients. And here's how simple it works. Your client pays you $2,500 per month. You pay an expert partner $500 per month to do all the technical work, and you keep $2,000 a month profit without doing any of the complicated stuff. You get to use their experience, their results, and their success stories under your name. I found my first expert partner online for $15 per hour, and they got better results than agencies charging $5,000 per month. Step 4, scale with simple systems. Once you have your first few clients, you build simple systems to handle more clients. AI handles finding new prospects, virtual assistants manage your calendar, expert partners deliver the service to your clients. All you have to focus on is just growing your business. I hire virtual assistants from other countries for $3 per hour to handle my entire lead process. The key is hiring people who are better than you at specific tasks and not people who need constant guidance. This same strategy helped my student Yassine hit 35K months while still in high school. Paul Wilkinson went from 0 to 30K per month using this exact framework. I have screenshots of all of this. But here's what I love most. This works for complete beginners. I had a 14-year-old student, Braden, make money his first month helping a local restaurant set up AI messaging for customer retention. The AI revolution is happening right now, and businesses are desperate for these services. Every month you wait is costing you over $10,000 in potential income. Now, I know you're probably thinking, this sounds too good to be true, or I don't have the technical skills for this. Trust me, I used to think the same thing. I thought I needed to be some tech genius or have years of experience, but here's the truth. The AI handles the technical stuff and the expert partners handle the complicated work. All you have to do is tell yourself, I am someone who helps businesses grow with AI messaging, and start acting like that person, because your identity creates your reality. If you're serious about building your own AI messaging business and you want to see the complete system in action, watch the video right here where I break down everything step by step. The AI revolution is here. The question is, are you going to be the one getting paid, or are you going to watch someone else take what could have been yours?